will teach you how to make a raspberry jam. It only takes a few ingredients that you most likely have at home. I myself had raspberries, but they were frozen. So I simply thawed the raspberries, and then you need dates, medjool dates. You need them moist. If they're not moist, then what you do is you blend your raspberries and you leave your dates in the raspberries, blended, more like a juice now. And then you leave the dates in there to absorb the moisture, and then leave it for a bit. When they're moist, then blend. Otherwise, you just won't get a smooth result. Okay, so let's start. So we put our blender jar on the scale, zero the scale, and here actually I do have the 130 grams. I calculated that ahead of time, so here it goes. And then to that we add 60 grams of medjool dates. And just check that your dates don't have pits in there, because that's bad news when you start with a pit. It just ruins it. Hard to get in there and get all the little pieces out, and it's dangerous actually. You can really choke and hurt yourself. So make sure the pits are not in there. I will use this lid here. If you have a plunger, that will work. And we simply start slow. Let's see. That looks perfect. Everything is blended and it's very smooth. But you know what? I find that it's not dark enough. It depends on the raspberries that you have. So what I will do, I will add a little bit of 𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃 berry, and it's in a powder form. 𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 berry is a dark berry. You could add blueberries if you like as well. I'm adding, what is that? It's half a teaspoon. I'm adding half a teaspoon, and that will change the color. It adds to the taste as well. There we are. Oh yeah, now it's a beautiful color, isn't it? Let's put it into a little bowl. And 𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 berry is a superfood. So to your jam, you can add superfoods like that. You can add mesquite, lucuma, so many superfoods. You can also play with the flavor. Like you could have grated ginger that you add to it, or cinnamon, or what else can you add? You can also add herbs like basil, rosemary. You can just play with the flavor. And there we are. So that gives us now that lovely jam that you can have anytime at home. You don't have to run to the grocery. You can just do it yourself. And here, you remember that lovely little bread that I taught you? So when it's time to give a treat to yourself or to your child, your children, and you want to give them a healthy treat, you got it right here. Dates have magnesium, potassium, copper, has also fiber, it has antioxidant. Refined sugar has nothing. It's empty calorie. It has zero nutrients, nothing. All it does, it adds calorie, but they're empty. It's no good to your body. Dates is the total opposite. So I encourage you to try that jam and play with it. You can do, half raspberries and then blueberries, mix it with strawberries, mix it with apricots, just play with it. Stick with the ratio, the 130-60, 130 for the fruit, 60 for the dates, and play with it. Add a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of lime juice. See what your children like and take notes. Enjoy. Love food that loves you back.